The Food Loop app is a tool that targets consumers and HORECA sector employees with two main objectives: to raise awareness about food waste by allowing the users to measure it easily, and to help users reduce that food waste generated with specific recommendations. As the user enters the food waste quantifications, they will be able to visualize a history of data on a daily, weekly, and annual level. In the statistics section, they have a summary of the amount of food wasted, the nutritional value, the avoided carbon footprint, and the water saved. In addition to other information related to the destination where they dispose of the food, the reason why they do it, and the type of food they discard. Lastly, the app provides recommendations to prevent such food waste based on the type of food or the cause of the waste. The Food Loop app is already freely available in this link. Start using it and reduce your food waste.